Bat-Chen kept diaries, notebooks, letters, and drawings. She wrote birthday greetings to her parents and siblings, Yaelan Ofri, loving eulogies for her grandparents, a thank you letter to her doctor. In her diary, she wrote of school, teachers, and homework, young love, the trials of friendship, and dreams for the future. Bat-Chen loved Jerusalem and wrote of its beauty and holiness and her fervent desire for peace. In November 1995, Israel's Prime Minister Yitzhak Rabin was gunned down at a peace rally in Tel Aviv. Among the hundreds of condolence letters received by his widow, Leah, was a poem from a 14-year-old teenager, Bat-Chen Shachak. She wrote eloquently of Rabin's achievements as a leader and condemned the hatred that led to his death. She wrote, "Who has the right to take the most beautiful gift of all? Life." What Bat-Chen could not know was that only 4 months later she would meet the same fate. In March 1996, Bat-Chen was killed by a suicide bomber in Tel Aviv's Dizengoff Center. It was Purim, and it was her 15th birthday.
מה אתם יודעים על ההרוגים, זהות שלהם? אנחנו מחפשים 3 נערות.
אין לנו שום אינפורמציה. מה את מחפשת?
3 בנות, הם היו 4 ביחד, ואחת פצועה פה, וה3 אין קול ואין...
בנות מאחד?
מסלמון.
המקום כיכר דיזנגוף בתל אביב. השעה 4 אחר הצהריים, תלמידי בתי הספר בעיצומה של חופשת חג הפורים.
בת שלי, בת-חן, יצאה יחד עם עוד 3 חברות לחגוג לעצמה את יום ההולדת ואת חג הפורים בתל אביב. לקראת 4:15 מתקשרת אליי הילד חצי שעה יותר מאוחר ואומרת לי, תשמע, היה פיגוע בתל אביב.
Her writings have been published in Hebrew and translated into Arabic, Japanese, Italian, Dutch, and German. This is the first English anthology of her work.